Here's what I learned about Alibaba Trade Assurance when I had to use it. My understanding is that they're there to have your back if something goes wrong. In reality, that's not what I found. If you can't deal with a grievance through your supplier, then you can take it to Trade Assurance if you have been covered by Trade Assurance for that order, and you can use like an intermediary between the supplier and yourself to work out any issues that you've had and hopefully maybe get some compensation. I've been dealing with a case and I actually managed to find out that they were logging the supplier's issues or their responses to the questions, but they weren't logging ours. Now that is a red flag. If you have an intermediary which is acting with a bias towards one party, you might think that it's not fair. So what I did in that case is basically tell them, hey, this is not fair. I want a new person. If I didn't deep dive into that, I wouldn't have found that out and I wouldn't have known that there was a bias there. So I think it's important whenever you're dealing with someone like Alibaba, or even if it's PayPal and some sort of intermediary, don't just take them at face value. Make sure that you really are still protecting yourself.